So I'm going to show you how to enable and disable repair mode on your OnePlus 15. So repair mode is basically a function of the OnePlus 15 that if you're taking your phone to a repair shop, you can actually turn on repair mode so that all your data is kept private and secure, and you don't have to reset your phone just so that someone else cannot access your data. You can actually put it in repair mode, and that will only give the person repairing the phone access to only the important things they need, and all your personal data is going to be safe. Okay, so to do that, go to settings. Under settings, go to system and update, tap on that, and then you should see repair mode. You can tap on that and then tap on enter repair mode. It's going to ask for your password. Once you enter your password, you can now tap on enter, and the phone is going to restart into repair mode. So when it starts in repair mode, as you can see, there's no password. So the person fixing your phone should be able to just test whatever they can test. Okay, so they can test the SIM card. They can actually use the SIM card. They can use some of the apps, but you'll notice when they go to something like the gallery, you can see it's a brand new gallery. All your photos and videos will not be able to be found, and they will not be able to see your documents. For instance, you can see that's empty, and that's because the phone is in repair mode. Now, to exit repair mode, simply go to settings. Under settings, scroll all the way down to system and update, tap on that, and then go to repair mode. And since we are already in repair mode, you'll see the option to exit repair mode. So tap on that, then tap on exit, and your phone will restart out of repair mode. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you have any comments or questions, feel free to talk to us in the comment section. Good luck.